Hello student, good morning pupils. The lesson relation among numbers. Today we shall find the highest common factor HCF. What is the HCF and how the way to find the HCF? Two or more given numbers. For example, two or more given numbers means 24 and 36 is given numbers. Is highest of their common factor is called the HCF. It is also known as the greatest common divisor. For example, let us find out the HCF of 24 and the 36. Factors of 24. The total factors of 24 is 1. 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 24 1 are 24, 12 2 are 24, 8 3 are 24, 6 4 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 3 8 are 24, 2 12 are 24 and 1 24 are 24. And factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. The numbers is the factors of 36. It means 36 comes in all the tables of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Common factors of 24 and 36 are 1 is common factor, 2 is common factor, 3 is common factor, 4 is common factor, 6 is common factor and 12 is common factor. No other is common factor. 8 is not a common factor, 9 is not a common factor, 18 is not a common factor, 24 is not a common factor and 36 also not a common factor. So which is the common factor? Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. But the HCF highest among the common factors is 12. The answers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. But the highest among the common factors is 12. So HCF is 12. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4 and not 6. 12 is the answer. Prime factorization method of the find HCF. Step first, find the prime factorization of each of the given numbers. For example, find the HCF of 18 and 48. First step is find the prime factorization of each of the given numbers. 18 and 48. 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 2 24, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3 and 3 1 ja. The prime factor of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3 and prime factor of 48 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The common prime factor are HCF of next step. Find the common prime factors of the given number. The common factorization of the given number is the common factorization of the given number, the given number 18 and 48 are equal to 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the common prime factors. So the HCF of 18 and 48 equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6 answer. This is the HCF of 18 and 48, 6 by the prime factorization method to find the HCF. The next method is Vedic mathematics. Finding HCF by Vedic mathematics. Finding HCF by Vedic method. Find HCF of 24 and 60. Difference of first difference is 60 minus 24 equal to 36. The lowest numbers are 24 and 36. The second difference is 36 minus 24 equal to 12. The lowest numbers are 12 and 24. The third difference is 24 minus 12 equal to 12. The second and third difference are equal. That's here is 12. This is the Vedic mathematics. Is exercise number 23. Exercise 23. Find out HCF of the following numbers. 36, first is 36 and 84. Second is 28 and 42. Third is 13, 26 and 52. Fourth is 15, 35 and 40. I cannot write the fourth and fifth, but I want to solve the question number, first part of the first and third part of the first question. The first solution is common prime factors of 36 and 48 are 36 divided by 2, 18 to the 36 divided by 2, 9 to the 18, 3 3 the 9 and 3. 48 to 24 to the 48, 12 to the 24, 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6 and 3 1 the 3. The prime factor of 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 to the 48. The common prime factors are 2 and 3 and 2. HCF of 36 and 48 is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. Answer 12 3 the 36, 12 4 the 48. The solution of part third. Prime factors of 13, 26 and 54. 13, 26 and 54. 13 is also a prime number, so this is only 1. The prime factor of 13 equal to 13. The prime factor of 26 is 2, 13 are 26 and 13 ones are 13. 26 equal to 2 into 13. And 24 is 2, 27, 27 to the 24, 3, 9 3 is 27, 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. The prime factors of 54 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. The HCF is HCF of 13, 26 and 54 is what? Answer. Because no one digit are common in the three given numbers. 13 are not in the 54. The 3 is not in the row of 13 and 26. So there are no common prime factor in the three given numbers. So the HCF of 13, 26 and 54 are 1. When no any common prime factors in the given numbers, then we choose the 1 as the HCF. The question